లోపల అయింది 8:10 అవుతుంది.
Make a note. Search term is the shortcut key to search the customer information. Search term is the shortcut key to search the customer information. Search term is the shortcut key to search the customer information. Next, take this region.
Muted.
See, street, house number, that I'm not giving notes. Okay. So region, make a note. In SAP, region means state. In SAP, region means state.
So it will be state code, right?
Sorry?
It will be state code, right?
Yes.
Or state. Okay.
In SAP, region means state. Okay. So if you don't, we can create a state. Suppose if you don't have Telangana. So here we don't have Telangana. So we can create that. Okay. Make it out. The path to define new region. The path to define new region. Take the path to define new region. SPRO. SPRO. SAP NetWeaver. SPRO, SAP NetWeaver. General settings. SPRO, SAP NetWeaver, general settings. Okay. Set countries. Insert regions. Set countries, insert regions. Okay. Go to new entries. Country IN. Region 36. Telangana. Okay. Save it. Country IN, region 36, Telangana, save it. Now you will get this 36 Telangana like that. Okay. So in SAP region means what state? Okay. Next take this transportation zone. Transportation zone. So first field is search term, second field is what? Region, third field, transportation zone. Make it. This field is one of the parameter to determine route. This field is one of the parameter to determine route in sales document. This field is one of the parameter to determine route in sales document. Okay, transportation zone. This field is one of the parameter to determine route into sales document. This field is one of the parameter to determine route in sales document. Okay. So transportation zone, this field is one of the parameter to determine route in sales document. Take like this. This field is one of the parameter to determine route in sales document. So take this route is the way of delivering the goods to customers. Route is the way of delivering the goods to customers. Route is the way of delivering the goods to customers. Route is the way of delivering the goods to customers. Transportation zone is one of the parameter to determine route in sales document. So route is what? It is a way of delivering the goods to customers. Okay. So sales document means what? Example for sales document is inquiry, quotation, sales order, etc. So what is the example for sales document, inquiry, quotation, sales order, etc.? Next, take this. So take this communication. Next one. Communication. Make it out. Here we maintain customers. Here we maintain customers. Telephone number, fax, email ID. Here we can maintain customers' telephone number, fax, email ID. Here we maintain customers' telephone number, fax, email ID.
Sir, fax means, sir?
It's a way of communication. Okay. So here we maintain customer's telephone number, fax, email ID. Next, take this heading control data. Control data. So here, make a note. In control data, we maintain tax-related information of customers. In control data, we maintain tax-related information of the customers. In control data, we maintain tax-related information of the customers. Next. So here we have one field, tax number 3. Here we maintain customers GST registration number. So here we'll have one more field, tax number 3. I'll show you how to get that. Make a note. In control data, tax number 3 field. In tax number 3 field, we maintain customers GST registration number.
Sir, repeat it again, please.
In tax number 3 field, we maintain customers GST registration number. In tax number 3 field, we maintain customers in tax number 3 field, we maintain customers GST registration number. Okay. So here we don't have tax number 3, so how to get that? Make a note. By default, we will not have this field tax number 3. Make a note. To get tax number 3 field, to get the tax number 3 field, to get the tax number 3 field, to get the tax number 3 field, go to this T code, OVT0, go to OVT0, see a T code you can see here below. Whenever I say T code, you can cross check here. Go to the T code OVT0, So what is our account group? 0001. Double click on 0001 account group. Double click on 0001 account group. Okay. So double click on this 0001 account group, or select the account group, click on details. Select the account group, click on this details. Okay. Now here, double click on this general data. Double click on this general data. Double click on general data. Double click on control. Double click on control. Okay. Now here, scroll down. This is a symbol if you want to go down. Arrow, down arrow here. Okay. So go down. Here you will get tax number 3. Make it optional, tax number 3 field. By default, it is suppress. Suppress means hide. You cannot, system will not display that. Okay, make it optional, save it. Okay, now you will get that. If you go to this customer
Sir,
again.
can you please repeat? Sir, can you please repeat?
Control data. Scroll down. Now you will get this field, tax number 3 field. So here we maintain customer GST registration number. Okay. So how to get this? What is the T code? OBT0. Double click on your account group 0001 standard and double click on general data. Double click on general data. Double click on control. Okay. So just go down. This is the arrow, down arrow. If you want to go down, then click on this down arrow. Go down, tax number 3 field. By default, it is suppress. So you have to make it optional, check optional for tax number 3. Save it. Save it. Save it. Next. So here we maintain customer's GST registration number. So GST registration number, what is next tab? Control data, tax number 3. Here we maintain customers GST registration number. Oh. So we are discussing fields in customer master. Just go to XD02 change mode. If you want to go to customer masters, create XD02, go to change mode. We already created this customer. Mention the customer number, company code, sales area, enter. So go to control here. We are now customer GST registration number. What is the structure? First 2 digits. First 2 digits, state code. Next 10 digits, customer PAN number. Next 3 digits, nature of the business. Like so, first 2 digits what? State code. Next, customer PAN number. Next, last 3 digits, nature of business. Oh, take this. Oh. Next. So 10 digits customer PAN number. So what is the GST registration? How it is? First 2 digits is state code common. Next 10 digits customer PAN number. Last 3 digits nature of the business. So next.
How many for nature of business, sir?
3 digits. Can you see this Excel?
Yes. Yeah. Got it.
Okay. Next, take this payment transactions. Payment transactions. So here we maintain customers' bank information. Make it. In payment transactions tab, we maintain customers' bank information. In payment transactions tab, we maintain customers' bank information. No. So country IN, what is the bank key? Practice purpose, we have some bank keys available here. ICICI Bank. Account number, mention some account number. Account holder name. So here inside you can maintain the bank data. Uh, sorry. Here we can maintain, if you just scroll down, you will have payment cards. So you can maintain the card information also, debit card, credit card. Okay. Make a note. Click on payment cards and mention the card information. Click on payment cards and mention the card information. So here you can mention the card type, card number, valid to cardholder name, like that. You can mention here card type, card number, valid to cardholder. So here we maintain customers' bank information and payment card information. Next, take this marketing. Take this marketing tab. So here take this Nelson ID. Nelson ID. Nelson ID. Make it. Nelson ID specifies market survey regions. Nelson ID specifies So Nelson ID specifies market survey regions. See here, whenever companies launching new product, they do market survey in some specific regions. Suppose example here. Well, let us take this Excel. we are in marketing tab, first field here, Nelson ID. Okay. So Nelson ID specifies market survey regions. Here, when our company is launching new product, they do market survey in some specific regions. Suppose, in our case, our client, Balchem Laboratories Limited, they do market survey in Noida, Gurgaon, they do market survey in Chennai, Bangalore, and they do market survey in Kolkata, Bhubaneswar. So 3 places they do market survey. So this we define it as Nelson ID. We name it as A1 as the code. Just here A2, A2, here A3, over. Take this example. Nelson ID specifies what market survey regions. When our company is launching new product, they do market survey in some specific regions. When our company is launching new product, they do market survey in some specific regions. And that will be designed as Nelson ID, and that will be defined as, one second, and that will be defined as Nelson ID, and that will be defined as Nelson, mute your mic, who is that? And that will be defined as Nelson ID in SAP. Okay. So Nelson ID specifies market survey regions. So whenever company is launching new product, they do market survey in some specific regions. Whenever company is launching new product, they do market survey in some specific regions. Okay. And that will be defined as Nelson ID in SAP. That will be defined as Nelson ID in SAP. Oh. Over. So we'll see this, how to define Nelson ID. So now in our client, they have 3 regions where they do market survey, and we have to define it in system. So who will define this? Consultants. What is consultant's role in customer master? Tell me. What is the first role of consultant?
Giving training to the core user end users.
We give training to users
And
how to create customer master. What is the second role?
defining new fields in the SAP according to client requirement.
We define new information in customer master fields. So this is the example. So we have to define this in system. Means this is one example. Like that, every field, if they want new entries, then we have to define it. So that is consultant's role.
Sir, which consultant is responsible?
SD only.
Oh.
Okay, SD consultant is responsible to define this Nelson ID. Okay. Make a note. The path to define Nelson ID. The path to define Nelson ID. Path. Take this path, SPRO. SPRO. SPRO, then sales and distribution. SPRO, sales and distribution. Master data, business partners. Master data, business partners, customers. Master data, business partners, customers. Okay, marketing. Marketing, define Nelson ID. Define Nelson ID. Define Nelson ID, go inside. Okay. So mention this, go to new entries, A1, Noida, Gurgaon, A2, Chennai, Bangalore, A3, Bhubaneswar, Kolkata. Okay, save it. So this customer is Hyderabad customer, so maintain blank. If it is Chennai customer or Bangalore customer, maintain A2. If it is Noida customer or Gurgaon customer, maintain A1. If it is Bhubaneswar customer or Kolkata customer, then maintain A3 like that. But here, this customer is Hyderabad customer. So other customers who are not located in market survey region, we mention blank. So what is the purpose? Make a note. The purpose of Nelson ID is the purpose of Nelson ID use. So this should be blank, but if you go to F4, you can see that A1, A2, A3. Clear? So the purpose of Nelson ID is, remember, take the notes. The purpose of Nelson ID is, it will help to track the customers who are located in market survey regions.
Sir, please repeat.
The purpose of Nelson ID is, it will help to track the customers who are located in market survey regions. The purpose of Nelson ID is, it will help to track the customers who are located in market survey regions. The purpose of Nelson ID is, it will help to track the customers who are located in market survey regions. Make a note. Whenever company is launching new product, whenever company is launching new product, whenever company is launching new product, with the help of Nelson ID, whenever company is launching new product with the help of Nelson ID, they track all the customers. They track all the customers. They track all the customers who are located in market survey regions. They track all the customers who are located in market survey regions and send samples to those customers and send samples to those customers. Okay. Over. So this is about Nelson ID. Now we have one shortcut method also to define this Nelson ID. Make a note. Shortcut method to define Nelson ID. Shortcut method to define Nelson ID. shortcut method to define Nelson ID. Make a note. Place the cursor in Nelson ID. So place the cursor here, Nelson ID. Okay. So place the cursor in Nelson ID. Press F1. Press F1. Press F1. See, some systems you cannot press direct F1. You have to mention function and F1. If F1 is not working directly, then you can use F1 function and F1. Okay. If direct F1 is not working, you can use function and F1. Now here, you click on this. There is one symbol, key symbol here, customizing. Click on customizing. Click on this, customizing. Okay, then continue without specifying project. Continue without specifying project. Continue without specifying project. Okay. Okay. Now see here, it will take you to that path. Define Nelson ID. You can go inside and you can define this Nelson ID like this. Okay. So once again, I'll show you. Press F1. Place the cursor in that field, press F1. Then click on this customizing. Click on customizing. Continue without specifying project. Continue without specifying project. So now click on this. Click on this. So here you can define this Nelson ID. Oh. So this is about Nelson ID.
Sir, I have a doubt here. Like Hyderabad customer, we are not entering any data. So how it will refer like it is from Hyderabad? From company code or like?
No, city customer. What is this customer city? So this particular customer, what is the region or city? Hyderabad.
Okay. Yes.
So that is Telangana. So it is not in uh, survey. Hyderabad is not in survey region. So we don't maintain that. Okay. Next, take this customer classification. Customer classification. Customer classification. This field will help to classify the customers. This field will help to classify the customers based on their sales turnover. This field will help to classify the customers based on their sales turnover. This field will help to classify the customers based on their sales turnover. So every customer will not give same business to company. Now see here customer classification, second field. See some customers A1, we give A1 some 10 crores and above. We define like this. A2 7 to 10 crores. A3 5 to 7 crores. A4 3 to 5 crores. A5 0 to 3 crores. Oh. Cover. So customer classification is what? This field will help to classify the customers based on their sales turnover. This will help to classify the customers based on their sales turnover. Make note, the purpose of customer classification is first one, reporting. First one, reporting or analysis. The purpose of customer classification is reporting or analysis. Second one, discounts. Okay. So what is the purpose? First one, reporting or analysis. Second one, discounts. Okay. Next. Now let us define this mechanism. The path to define customer classification, SPRO, same path like Nelson ID. The path go to SPRO, sales and distribution, master data, business partners, customers, marketing, define customer classification. Okay. So here you can define this. Go to new entries, A1, 10 crores and above, A2, 7 to 10 crores, A3, 5 to 7 crores, A4, 3 to 5 crores, A5, 0 to 3 crores. Okay. Now my customer is 10 crores and above, so I'll maintain this in customer master A1. Okay. So every field you have this shortcut method. Customer classification also you have this shortcut method. Okay. But place the cursor Sir, here customer classification, press F1. Then click on this customizing and continue without specifying project. So define customer classification like that. So every field you have this shortcut method. Okay. So this is about customer classification, and what is the purpose? Reporting or analysis, discounts. So remaining fields we'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll continue this.
Sir, can you repeat the shortcut method, please?